Dean Jackson, you see it? I have a copy for you too. Crispy. Buju Banton endorsed you. Buju endorsed you. Popcorn endorsed you. Chronicler endorsed you. Beanie Man endorsed you. QQ endorsed you. The church endorsed you. Cartel endorsed you. And you no bring home the victory and come tell me about you win 15 seats. You no come off the internet. Come off the internet. Tanya Stevens endorsed you. Mavada endorsed you. Queen Africa endorsed you. One little man over the Jamaica Labour Party named Mr. Vegas. One little artist. Where if you no lose the election, me sure says another Usher amount moment that. Me can't go on internet again. A straight Usher amount if you lose. This is that Usher amount that wicked. Me could not pass through no airport, me that fear walk in a bag. Because this is Usher amount that wicked. One lily artist over there. Y'all had L.A. Lewis. Who had the gleaner, who had the observer in my opinion. All we had was nationwide. Because them alone have the lit balance. San Jones had one artist and one station who is not the #1 station in Jamaica and win the election. Come on, Bridget. Give it up for Andrew. Give it up for Andrew Michael Holness, the greatest political leader in the history of Jamaica. Cemented his legacy with this win. We have Triple X. We're intelligent when him ready. We had all the vloggers. We had 10,000 people at night time. Pan Gabriel and 10,000 over Andre Stevens' page. We had Ratigan and him gang with 2,000-3,000 people every Saturday and lose the election. Mark Golding is the worst political leader ever in the history of politics. Stop talking about move from 15 to 29 seats. You did a campaign for that? Y'all were campaigning to win just 15 seats? Y'all should have won in a landslide. You took Charles seat, Val seat, Central seat, Central Kingston seat, wipe Westmoreland, wipe Hanover and lose. Andrew Holness is the greatest ever. No political leader could have done that. Whatever it is that Andrew Holness do not talk about, we nearly lose. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Come off the internet. At least you rich as them have little shame. Then go and hide. I ain't grab them. At least them have little shame. Come off the internet. You don't sound like some little mongrel.